Most farmers lose their chickens not because of feeding, but because of missing this one important thing called vaccination. Today we are vaccinating our birds against Newcastle disease, which is one of the deadliest diseases in poultry. Newcastle disease spreads very fast and it can wipe your entire flock within days. The good thing is, it is preventable through proper vaccination. Before vaccination, we prepare clean chlorine-free water. Then we mix the vaccine gently. Never use dirty equipment and always prepare the vaccine fresh. We make sure the birds are a little thirsty so they can drink the vaccine quickly. We distribute the drinkers evenly so every bird gets access. Within a short time, all birds should have taken the vaccine. Do not expose the vaccine to sunlight. Do not keep it for long after mixing, and avoid stressing the birds during vaccination. Good antling ensures good protection. A simple step like this can save your entire flock. Don't wait until it's too late or you start losing your birds. Be a smart farmer, prevent it before it happens. Until next time, Zambi Poultry Solutions. Bye bye.